Welcome back. We are going to start talking about multiplication in our polynomial arithmetic section. So, here we have a polynomial times a polynomial. In this case, each of these is actually more specifically called a binomial because there's two monomials that are being added or subtracted in each case. And we're going to take this binomial and multiply it by another. Before we do that, I want to remind you of the principle that's at work in this, which is called the distributive property of multiplication over addition, or just the distributive property. And it looks something like this. If we were going to do, for example, 2 times x plus 1, we could distribute the 2, because it's being multiplied by everything in the parentheses. It's 2 times x, 2x, plus it's 2 times 1, or just 2. Okay, so that equals 2x plus 2. We multiplied 2 times x here to get 2x, and we multiplied 2 times 1 to get the 2. That's the distributive property. Alright? Same principle gets used when we have more than one thing being multiplied by everything in this parentheses. We'll do that with this one. So our first term is 4x times x, which equals 4x squared. Then we want to multiply 4x times the 1, which is 4x. Then we go over here and we're now going to take away 12 times each of these things. Minus 12 times x is negative 12x. Minus 12 times positive 1 is negative 12, or minus 12. And now we have this polynomial, which we can simplify into the standard form where the highest degree term is first and lower degree terms subsequently follow. But we also want to combine like terms if we have any, which we do. We have x's here, we have x's here, x to the first in each case. So we can add those together. So we have only one term, only one monomial has x squared, so that's 4x squared. Can't be combined with any of these other things since we don't know what x is. We have 4x's minus 12x's. So that's 4 minus 12 is negative 8. There's still x's. Then we have negative 12 wholes, or x to the 0, which is 1. Okay, so this is our final answer to the multiplication of these two binomials. Is a new polynomial. It's a trinomial because it has 3 parts. Okay, so 4x minus 12 times the sum of x plus 1 is 4x squared minus 8x minus 12. And we're done.